In this guide, I'm going to show you how to download and set up the Perplexity Comet AI browser. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications turned on. It really helps the channel and lets us know you want more content like this. If you have any questions during the guide, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to reply to everyone. Step 1. Visit the website. Open any browser you already have and go to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you can either use the AI directly on the website or download the Comet AI browser by clicking Download Comet in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Install the browser. After clicking Download, the installer will start automatically. Open the downloaded file and click Start Install. Once the installation is complete, select Launch Comet to open the browser. Step 3. Set up your browser. When Comet AI opens, you'll see an option to import data from another browser like Chrome or Edge. If you don't want to do that, just click Skip. You'll also be asked whether you want to set Comet as your default browser. You can skip that as well if you prefer. Next, choose a theme, enter your profile name, and click Continue. You'll then see a few quick preference options. Enable or disable them as you like. Finally, sign in with your account, and you're ready to start using the Comet AI browser. It's really that simple. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day.